Most people get this wrong. They think all loan services are the same. But the surprising truth about big picture loans is that it focuses on providing educational financing and personal loans with flexible repayment options. Big picture loans caters to borrowers who need assistance with larger expenses like education, career development, or debt consolidation. You won't believe what happens next. They offer personalized loan structures, meaning repayment schedules and terms can be tailored to your financial situation. This makes it easier to manage payments without overwhelming monthly obligations. Applying is straightforward. Create an account, provide your personal and financial information, and submit verification documents. Approval times vary, but the platform emphasizes transparency, so y'all know exactly what interest rates and fees apply before committing. One major advantage is flexibility. Big Picture Loans also offers educational support, guidance on budgeting, and financial planning tools. This isn't just a loan, it's a platform aimed at helping borrowers succeed in the long run. The downside? Interest rates can be higher than traditional student or personal loans, and not all borrowers qualify. It's also more suitable for mid to long-term financial needs rather than emergency funding. In conclusion, Big Picture Loans is best for borrowers looking for flexible repayment options, educational support, and a holistic approach to managing personal loans. If you're focused on long-term financial wellness, this platform could be worth considering. Subscribe for more honest loan reviews and financial insights to help you make smarter money choices.